Well, the long-awaited package is here from Keene Engineering. Let's see what we have. I think I waited about a month, and this is the Keene 140S. So he threw in a pick, that stuff there. I sold my 140, took that money and put it towards the 140S. So now I've got the 190. I've got the 151 standard, and now I've got the 140S. This thing's pretty nice. I like it. It's smaller than 151, so I could backpack it. I like the 190, but it's just too big to lug around. If I have like a dedicated spot, it's amazing. And I'm not going to set that on there. Stand. That's everything. Let's see. Model 140S in high back system. I didn't get the high back since I already have a couple of them. But this is the instructions. Man, I can't wait. This is nice. It's like the perfect size. I will put it together and show you guys. So anyone that is just receiving a 140S and wants to know how to set it up, obviously these bumpers will go right here. I just have to get something to adjust those. So obviously we tighten those. That's all the way up. And that's going to bump right there. And then this one, same thing. I gotta loosen it because right now it's just jammed in there. These you could adjust for the pitch, so I'll pull that in and go down, but that's it.
So what does that mean?
Hold on. So this is why we love Chino. Look at these sunsets we have. Look at this view we have. You don't get this in LA.